Hello everyone, Hamel here with the daily market update. So today again was a mixed bag, just like yesterday. So I did my research, I heard to a lot of different folks, and then there is always so much noise out there. And these all people, they make sense. They're all smart people that I listen to, or I read articles from all these websites and stuff like that. So, and then I need to look at the charts and make my own decisions about what I'm really seeing. So all that noise has to be filtered out now by me. So again, SPY was up 0.72%. So it is good. You know, same like yesterday was a minor pullback. Today is today's an up day. So again, I'm looking for this 8-day moving average to hold this. And before we know, actually, it may turn out to be in a new uptrend. We just don't know what will transpire. So let's look at Qs. Nice strong day today, 2.15% higher. Like I was saying, this line has to hold, and it did hold actually. So that was fantastic. So again, nice day today for Qs, and if we consolidate here in a tight range, it can break out from there. So it is possible for that to happen. So we'll see what happens there. IWM, a weekday today. Again, it's still higher high. Not higher high, but higher lows. So it's still making higher lows. Very small correction today, 0.23%. This 8-day moving average will catch up in a couple days, and we'll see what happens then. Let's look at IVD 50, which was really getting pretty bad pullback here, or a sharp pullback to put in right terms. And today it had a nice move up. Lower than average volume. So is the rotation still going on? So 50 is pretty much the top 50 growth stocks as per IBD's metrics and what they look at. So we'll have to see how this turns out. However, if the rotation continues, we'll continue to see 50 kind of struggle there. Let's look at the world index. Again, a nice day. So as we can see, the uptrend may already be starting, and a lot of the experts, they say that we are still in a range, which we are kind of, but this one has broken out, and it just pulled back for a day, and now it's already moving up. Let's look at let's see which value line geometric index, which is not cap based. So again, very minor correction there. Let's look at some indicators here. Let's do that very quick. Okay, so absolute breadth broke through this trend line. So more stocks are participating, which is always a good thing. Stocks above their 40-day, it is on the top of the range. So we'll see. It can slide back. That is what you would expect. Now, if it breaks out, that will be unexpected at this point. Let's see what else we have here. Advanced decline line for the high cap 1,000 stocks continues to move higher. Which is a higher high, like I mentioned yesterday. And then this is what we have here. Percentage of stocks over 200, just plateauing a little bit. But again, it has made a very nice move up. So more stocks are participating, almost 66.84% stocks. So let's get back to SPY chart here. So again, if you're on the sidelines, what do? I think there may be better setup in future, in few days. Or at least we need to see some more clarity if it can continue to climb. And then if 8-day moving average supports SPY, small caps, Qs, then I think it may be right to put some money to work at this point. Again, there are a lot of worrying things out there, right? Yes, we know there is a president-elect. However, there's still lot of legal battles. Now, it looks highly unlikely that anything may come out of it, but you never know. Things may come out. After all, this is 2020. That's number one. Number two is COVID cases are rising, which is not good. If it continues that way, there will be more lockdowns. At least part of the country will lock down, because we know that has happened before. And we'll see what happens there. We also look at stimulus. So is stimulus going to pass? We don't know. Meaning, I hope it does. But there is no guarantee it would. Vaccine news. Now, I didn't realize yesterday or day before yesterday whenever the news came out, but there is a strict requirement. Now, I have not validated this news. I haven't checked the Pfizer website yet, so I'm not sure this is true or not, or that it requires freezing equipment to logistically transport that and distribute that. Now, if that's the case, that is difficult to do, to have frozen vaccines. And then again, that is not as easy as it sounds. It doesn't sound easy to begin with. So we'll see. Now, I'm just looking forward to AstraZeneca and J&J, and I have investment in J&J. J&J has a single-dose vaccine. Now, Pfizer will be 2-dose vaccine. So I'm hoping J&J and AstraZeneca, they are looking at more traditional way of vaccines, which hopefully may not need to be frozen. So we'll see what happens. So that's all I have. So again, as we can see, there is a lot of cross currents, and there's never any guarantee in stock market. So I hope you are doing well as well, and you have your own thoughts and your research routine, and hopefully you build a discipline to continue to make progress in your portfolio. That's all I have. Take care.